Do you know about Mulkraj Anand? Which chapter written by him have you studied? Have you studied any chapter written by him? Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm audible. So, which chapter written by this author have you studied? Who can tell me? Anyone? No one. The very first chapter of your supplementary reader, Moments. What was that chapter? First chapter of Moments.
Ma'am, the lost child.
Yes, Lost Child. Who is the writer of the Lost Child? Who is the writer?
Ma'am, Mulk Raj Anand.
Yes, Mulkraj Anand. How many of you have done the holiday homework, PPT presentations? You have to present it in the class one by one. So those who have not done, you do it. In the online class, you have to present your PPTs and you will get marks on that. Okay, so today I will. Hello?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vishakha. Vishakha, you want to say something? Vishakha? Okay. I will show you one animated film of the chapter Lost Child. In this, you will get a overview of the writer, his works. Mulkraj Anand was a Indian English writer. He's very famous. He has written some very popular novels also. So in this video, you will get a short introduction of the writer's life. You should know about the writer also. When you read the chapter, you should also know about the authors and writers. After that, after the animated video is over, then I will ask you questions from this chapter. So this is our revision. Is it clear to all of you? Hello?
Ma'am, my presentation is ma'am in the phone. So how can I present in the class?
By screen sharing, I will allow you to share the screen for some time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will allow that feature in which the student can share the screen. Okay? They are going to get marks on that. Okay, so shall I start the video? All of you have to watch it very carefully because I'm going to ask questions after that. It is a listening skill. So in CBSE, you have 4 kinds of skills. What are the 4 kinds of skills you have to acquire in language learning?
I'm writing, speaking,
Listening, reading, writing, speaking, listening, reading, all the 4 skills. So language learning requires all the 4 skills. Only if you listen to the language, you can gain fluency in it. Okay? Okay, so I'm starting the animated film. Okay?
was born in Peshawar, Pakistan. Regarded as one of the pioneers of Indian English fiction, Anand studied in Khalsa College, Amritsar, and later University College, London, and Cambridge University. Anand launched his literary career with an essay on his aunt's suicide. Untouchable, his first novel, was published in 1935. It deals with the unyielding nature of the caste system in pre-independent India. He was a prolific writer whose literary works include novels, short stories, poetry, essays, and autobiographies. Some of his prominent works are The Village, Across the Black Waters, The Sword and the Sickle, Coolie, The Private Life of an Indian Prince. Anand received the Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel The Morning Face. He was also awarded the International Peace Prize and later the Padma Bhushan for his exemplary contribution to the world. The Lost Child is derived from his story collection, The Lost Child and Other Stories, 1934. The Lost Child narrates the story of a child who gets lost in a fair. It is a story of connections, loss, and expectations. The story of The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand is about a young boy's innocence and his bond with his parents. It is a bright spring day. There is a fair going on, and everyone in and around the village is travelling to the fair. Among them is a young boy. He skips and runs happily alongside his parents as they walk to the fair. There are many people travelling along with them. Some of them are moving in bullock carts or horses, while most of them are walking to the fair. The boy's excitement grows when he sees all the people around him. On his way, he sees a toy shop. He loudly proclaims that he wants a toy. His father looks at him sternly. To divert the child's attention, his mother draws his attention towards the mustard fields. The boy is excited by the color and sight of the mustard fields. The field is also filled with butterflies. The boy is fascinated by the butterflies. As they fly close to him, he tries to catch some of them, but they elude him. His parents call out to him to join them. They have taken shelter in a shaded grove. As soon as the boy enters the grove, a shower of flowers greets him, and he holds out his hand to catch the petals. The boy looks around in wonder, taking in all the sights and sounds of nature. From the grove, they travel along a narrow path to the fair. From the serene world of nature, the boy enters the world of the fair. Its cacophony, sights and smells fascinate and repel him at the same time. The boy stops in front of a sweet shop, tempted by the delightful display of sweets. He wants a barfi, though he knows his parents will not buy it for him. As they walk on, he is attracted by the beautiful garlands of gulmohar in the next shop. Though he wants one around his neck, he knows his parents will call it cheap and refuse him. Brightly colored balloons on a pole greet him next. He stops and gazes at the bright balloons floating in the air. He knows his parents will tell him he's too old to play with them. So he moves on to where a snake charmer is playing his flute. He wants to hear the music, but he knows his parents will forbid it. Finally, he reaches the giant wheel. The giant wheel is brightly lit and surrounded by laughing people. The boy's eyes shine at the turning wheel. He cannot contain himself any longer and clamors to get on it, but his parents do not reply. He turns around, but his parents are not with him any longer. Frightened, He starts howling. He runs here and there trying to find his parents. There are tears in his eyes, and his clothes become dirty. He notices a temple around which many people are gathered. He hopes he can find his parents there, but there are too many people, and he cannot see them. A kind stranger rescues him from the stampede of people. The stranger asks the boy who his parents are, but the boy cannot tell him. He only repeats that he wants his mother and father. The stranger then takes him to the roundabout and asks whether he wants a ride, but the child doesn't want one. The stranger takes him to the snake charmer, asking him if he wants to hear the music, but the child closes his ears, crying for his parents. He shakes his head at the pretty balloons. He refuses to put a garland around his neck. Finally, the stranger takes him to the sweet shop. But the child cannot be consoled by the sweets. He continues to cry for his parents.
All of you saw the animated video? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it was a kind of revision. So just to remind you of all the events that took place in the chapter. So now you can do the MCQs. Name the things that the child saw on his way to the fair. Who will answer this? Okay. Okay, Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, all.
Yes. The boy saw toys on the way to the fair. Then he saw sweets, garlands. He also saw balloons. Okay. Then why did the boy lag behind? Will answer. वो पीछे क्यों रह गया? एक बार पेरेंट्स उसको बुलाते हैं ना कि पीछे तो ओके सुचित्रा हैज रेज्ड द हैंड. सुचित्रा?
Ma'am, because he was walking close.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Surbhi. Okay, very good. Surbhi has raised the hand. Surbhi?
Because this talks look too closely at his favorite things.
Yes, Surbhi, your answer is correct. He was stopping at every shop to look closely at his favorite things. Yes, very good, Surbhi. Yes. Okay. So, all of you be prepared with your holiday homework. I will tell you to share your slides and the PPT, whatever you have prepared. I'll allow you to share the screen for some time and you can show it. Okay. So All of you will see each other's homework, how you have done it. Okay. Why did the child keep moving without getting any answers? Who will answer? Someone who has not answered. Okay, Vishakha. Vishakha. Vishakha, you raised your hand. Anurag Roy. Okay, Anurag.
Because of his expression and assumed notions about his parents.
Yes, because of his experience and assumed notions. Notion means what?
Idea or view, opinion.
Views, thoughts, opinions. So the boy knows that parents will tell that you are greedy and you are too big to play with toys. So he knows the nature of his parents because of his experience and assume notions about his parents. Yes, notions means thoughts or opinions. According to his opinion, his parents will not buy him anything. He knows that. Okay, what did the child want to eat at the fair? So what was his favorite sweet? Who will answer? Favorite sweet. Wait, someone. Okay, Pooja has raised the hand. Pooja?
Ma'am, Burfi.
Yes, Barfi. Very good. Barfi. Okay. Yes. Barfi was his. Okay, Vikas Kumar Dubey raised his hand. ये वाला answer करो. Question 5. Vikas, can you hear me? Vikas Kumar Dubey.
Yes, ma'am.
Vikas, you raised your hand. You want to answer this 5th question. When did the child realize that he had lost his way? किस समय उसको लगा कि अब वो खो गया है? किस particular time?
Option C.
Yes, Vikas, your answer. Yes, option C. When he turned to take permission from his parents to take a ride on the roundabout. Yes, Vikas, very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, when he turned to take permission from his parents to ride. Okay, so I want everyone to be active. These are not difficult questions. You can try. Even if you have read the chapters casually, you can try. Okay, then what did the child do when he realized that he had lost his way? Who will answer? 10 participants. Okay, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, cried
Cried and ran here and there. Cried and ran here and there. Yes, Samriddhi, your answer is correct. Yes, very good. Let me see new participants. Someone, just Suchitra. Okay, Suchitra can answer. Why did the child lose his interest in all the things he was interested earlier? Suchitra,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to answer this 7th question? शुरू में तो बच्चे को सब कुछ चाहिए था, बर्फी, balloon, garland, and after that he did not want anything. What was the reason? Suchitra?
Ma'am, A.
Okay, yes, Suchitra, your answer is correct. Yes, good. Because of separation from his parents and losing his way. So after he lost his parents, he realized that more than these materialistic things, parents are important in life. Then he realized the importance of his parents. Okay, what did the child realize? Okay, this is okay. Someone who hasn't answered, Harshvardhan. Surbhi. Okay, Surbhi hasn't answered today.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो answer करो Surbhi.
The parents are the most valuable asset.
Yes, parents are the most valuable asset. more than all these materialistic things. Parents are our most valuable asset. Okay. What did the child speak repeatedly after losing his parents?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Harshvardhan, you answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. I want my father and I want my mother, ma'am. Option A.
Yes, ऑप्शन ए. एक बार पेरेंट्स खो गए तो बस एक ही मुंह से लाइन निकल रहा था, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर. Nothing is more precious than parents' love in our life, isn't it? सही है कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So how did the generous man try to calm down the child? Who will answer? Okay, Anurag. Okay, Anurag.
Ma'am, all.
Showing him different toys, talking to him, taking him to ride. Yes, all. All. Okay. Then, okay, Srija, you answer this question. Author? Who is the
Mulk
author?
Raj Anand.
Yes. Just now we studied Mulk Raj Anand, very famous Indian English writer. Mulk Raj Anand, and is a very famous Indian English writer. He also got many awards. His book Untouchable is very famous. He wrote on the evil system of untouchability and caste system. Okay, so what does the story show?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, I have an
Okay,
answer.
Janvi hasn't answered today. Janvi,
Ma'am, working on a child's mind.
what does the story, working of a child's mind, child's mind, how it works? Small children are attracted to everything they see, isn't it? When you were a child, were you also like this lost child?
Yes, ma'am.
बचपन में जो भी हम देखते हैं लगता है कि ये भी मिल जाए, वो भी मिल जाए. हाँ? So working of a child's mind, yes. Where did the child go with his parents? Who will answer? Okay, Pooja Kumari. Pooja.
Ma'am, village fair.
हाँ, very good. Village fair. गांव के मेला में वो जा रहे थे. Child was going to the village fair. Okay, what is the theme of the story? Theme क्या है?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Anurag. Harshvardhan has also answered. Anurag has also answered. Someone who hasn't answered. Tanvi hasn't answered today, I think. Okay, Tanvi.
Ma'am, option A, close bonding between parents and children.
Yes, it shows. Theme of the story is the close bonding between parents and children. Okay. Who took the child to the fair? Who took the child to the fair? 10 participants. Who are the 10 participants? Let me see. Raised hand. Okay, Vikas Kumar Dubey.
And
Vikas?
parents.
Yes, parents took the child to the fair. We were shown in the animated video how the boy is walking along with his parents. Why were the parents holding the hand of their child?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Samriddhi. Samriddhi.
Ma'am, from the crowd.
Yes, to protect him from the crowd. To protect him. So whenever parents take their children to crowded places, they make sure that they are holding the child's hand very tightly. Okay. List the things the generous man did after picking up the child. वो जो kind man, after picking up the child, what did he do?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Anurag.
Consoled and offered many attractive things.
Okay, yes. First he consoled the child. Consoled means, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या?
Ma'am, to
दिलासा
make
देना,
someone feel
सांत्वना
better.
देना. हाँ?
Ma'am, to make someone feel better.
Make someone feel better. Uh, to make someone calm and quiet. You get consolation prizes after first, second, and third
Yes,
prize.
ma'am.
So, what is the consolation prize called in Hindi?
सांत्वना पुरस्कार.
सांत्वना पुरस्कार. तो कंसोलेशन मतलब होता है किसी को सांत्वना देना. अब 3 को प्राइज मिल गया, लेकिन और भी जो थोड़ा अच्छा किए उनको भी तो कंसोलेशन मिलना चाहिए कि हाँ. तो दैट इज, oh, someone is annotating. I haven't disabled. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. What does the child's refusal to all the attractive things show?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
Someone who hasn't answered today. I want everyone to participate. Questions are very easy. कौन आंसर नहीं किए हो? बताओ अपना नाम. हेलो, Musharraf Jamal is there. Shivam. Everyone in this has answered, I think. Just okay, Harshvardhan, you answer.
Yes, ma'am. Bond of love between child and parent is above everything.
Yes, bond of love between child and parents is above everything. Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, Ashish hasn't answered today, isn't it?
Ma'am, please can I?
Okay, let Ashish answer this. He hasn't answered today. After that, you name the characters in the lesson.
Option D all.
Yes, option D, all. Parents, then the kind man, then the lost child. These are all the characters of the story. Okay. So, so all of you be ready with your holiday homework. What shall we do now? We can revise some grammar. Okay. Grammar
Excuse me,
needs.
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो श्रीजा.
मैम, कल हम अपना डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ नहीं सुना पाए थे, तो अभी सुना दें.
ठीक है, सुना.
Okay, ma'am. My neighbor. My neighbor is a plump woman with a childish round face and rosy cheeks. Her visage suggests that she was once beautiful. Her red hair remains tied in a taut high bun, and when she smiles at me, a surge of warmth flows through my body. Her jet black eyes are always full of affection. I reckon there isn't anyone in the neighborhood whom she hasn't fed her homemade biscuits. Her sweetness is almost tangible. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, Srija, your passage was descriptive passage was very good. Okay. Written on neighbor. Yes. Okay. Anyone else who could not read it yesterday, you want to read it out today? है कोई और जो कल नहीं, who was not present yesterday due to some reason, you want to read it out today? Akansha, had you read out your passage? Yes, Akansha, I think, had read out. Okay. So now, 8 minutes is left. We can do some revision of voice. I like ice cream. Okay. Who will answer first one? Anu,
May I?
Ashish.
May I?
Okay, Harshvardhan.
Yes.
Okay, Harshvardhan
Yes,
wants to answer. Harshvardhan, the boy was playing football.
Ma'am, the football was being played by boys.
Yes, very
Boy.
good. Football. So it is in the past continuous. So in past continuous, what you use? Football is singular, was continuous. जहाँ ing रहेगा वहाँ जो है क्या use होगा? Being. This you have to remember. Wherever you have the ing form of verb, you use being. Was being, and then the V3 played by the boy. Okay. Yes, Harsh, your answer was correct. Who will? Ashish wanted to answer. Srishti, you want to answer? Open the door. Srishti,
Ma'am, can I Janvi?
Srishti. Janvi, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let the door be open.
Yes, very good. Let the door be opened. Then third, I like ice cream. Who wants to answer? I like
May I?
ice. Ashish. Okay, Ashish.
Ice cream is liked by.
Okay, yes. So I like ice cream. What is the tense of this sentence?
I'm
It is
present in
Ma'am, simple present tense.
Yes, simple present. What do you use? Is MR plus V3.
Is
Sometimes students get confused between passive and narration. So in narration, you change the tense. In passive, you don't change the tense. If you observe the how the active is changed to passive, यहाँ देखो कि यहाँ was है तो यहाँ भी हम was ही use किए हैं. यहाँ present है तो यहाँ भी हम present ही use किए हैं. So in passive, you don't change the tense. Okay, who killed the snake? Who वाले sentence कैसे बनते हैं?
May I?
Harshvardhan, Srija. Okay, Srija, answer. Srija.
Yes, ma'am.
Who
The
killed
snake
the
was killed.
by whom को शुरू में ही लगा दो. By whom was the snake killed? That is a better way. Okay.
Okay.
By whom was the snake?
मैम from whom नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं, from नहीं होगा. एजेंट के आगे by ही यूज होता है. एजेंट मतलब जिसने काम किया, तो उसके आगे हमेशा by ही यूज होता है. By whom was the snake killed? किसके द्वारा? Then 5. So do you like chow mein? This is a question. So did he complete the project? This is also a question. So you remember questions beginning with do, does, how you change it?
Yes,
I gave you in
ma'am.
the rules. I gave you in the rules. So who will answer? Srishti. Okay, Srishti. Srishti has raised hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like chow mein? How will you change it? Do wale
Is Chowmin
yes.
liked by you?
Yes, very good, Srishti. Is chow mein liked by you? So, liked by you. So, if questions beginning with do you use is, am, are. And questions beginning with did is past tense. So, what do you use? Who will answer? Okay, okay, Anurag Roy. Anurag.
Since the project was completed by him,
No, it is past
Ma'am.
tense. So what will you
Ma'am,
use?
may I?
Okay. Who wants to
Ma'am,
answer?
may I?
Okay, Ashish.
Ma'am,
Ashish.
Harsh.
Okay, Harsh. Okay, Harsh. Okay,
Was the
let Stuti answer. Stuti. Stuti.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer karo.
Was the project completed by him?
Yes, very good, Stuti. Very good. Was the project. So it is in do does you use is, am, are. So did is past. So you will use the past helping verbs. Was the project completed? And he will change to him. Very yes. Completed by him. Was the project completed by